Hello again, Mr. Rockman here to read a story to you. This one is called Star Wars, Vader's Little Princess. Those that know me know that I love Star Wars, so this is another one of my favorite books. Anything with Star Wars, gotta love it. This is by Jeffrey Brown. Look at the little princess pulling on her daddy's cape. This is from Chronicle Books of San Francisco. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, Episode 3 3/4, Vader's Little Princess. Darth Vader, Dark Lord of the Sith, continues to rule the Galactic Empire and is out to destroy the heroic Rebel Alliance. Meanwhile, he must raise his young daughter, Leia, as she grows from a sweet little girl into a rebellious teenager. From now on, do as I tell you, okay? Don't splash my cape! You have failed me for the last time, Admiral. Now you will. Hi, Daddy. Make sure you get the backs. Brushing her teeth on the top of R2-D2. You are free to use any means necessary, but I want them alive. No disintegrations. Later, Luke, Leia, it's bedtime. Stop. Children, you need to go to sleep. Yippee! Bounce, bounce, wee, bounce. Dad, don't move. Look. Butterfly on his head. Giggle. I want every available squad to search the ship until my keys are found. Dad, I'm making you a cozy. Isn't it great? Just tell her you like it. What? Just drop me at the corner. It's okay. I can take you right to the front door. I'm so embarrassed. She got to go to school in an AT-AT. Pew, pew, pew. Sigh. You may dispense your pleasantries, Your Highness. I'm here to tell you to pull up your pants. But Dad, it's the style. Okay, good. Now, easy on the clutch. Her resistance to getting out of bed is considerable. It will take some time before we can wake her. Leia, did you eat all the chocolate ice cream? Tell me the truth. Dad, I have to write an essay for class. So what is exactly that you do? Several transmissions were beamed to the ship. I want to know what happened to the plans they sent. You are part of the Rebel Alliance. Whatever. So we meet at last. Behave yourself, or my dad will totally kill you. I don't care what you think. These are my friends. I think it's telemarketers calling. Leave them to me. I will deal with them myself. I am most displeased with your lack of progress. Look at all those dishes. I think everybody's house probably looks like that right about now. So Han, Leia says you're a star pilot. Yes, sir. You know, I was a pilot myself when I was your age. Oh, really? Mr. Vader, where are we? Oh, this is my carbon freezing chamber. Dad will know how to retrieve it. Are you kidding? We can't tell Dad. Dad, please stop. How embarrassing, Dad dancing. Dad! Leia's been in the bathroom for like an hour. I trust you will be back by 10 o'clock sharp. Sure, Mr. Vader. Dad, it'll be fine if we're just a little late. The Emperor does not share your optimistic appraisal of the situation. Don't you think it's time you started separating this into our recycling and compost? Oh, look at Sabula's stats this season. Boring. You are not going out dressed like that. Please, Dad, please. No, you cannot borrow my Imperial shuttle. Last time you brought it back all dented. If only you knew the power of the dark side. I know, Dad. You've only mentioned it like 200,000 times. Also, there's more to life than power, you know? And then I was like, blah, 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 blah. I know, totally, blah, 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 blah. Leia, did you finish your homework? And then I said, I love you. And all he said back was, I know. I know? What does that mean? Oh, well, sounds like that he knows you love him. Stop. And now, Your Highness, we will discuss the location of your hidden laundry basket. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. Wait, doesn't your dad give you an allowance? What is this for, anyway? I've got a bad feeling about this. What about Lando Calrissian? He seems nice. What? Dad, I'm dating Han Solo. What are you thinking? Han Solo? I thought you broke up. Didn't you break up? I'm confused. It's just a phase. Just a phase. Slam! This concert, you want to go to Max Rebo? What kind of music is that even? It's good, Dad. You'd like it. Ew, you're going to eat that? That's so bad for your cholesterol, you know? And you should really work on your weight. Anyway, when my dad gets here, you are going to be in so much trouble. Where are you going? To study with some friends. Is that lipstick? Roosh! I hate you! Yes, use your hate. Leia, Luke, this is your Kowakian monkey lizard. You promised you would walk him. Scratch, scratch. He's not here right now. Do you want to leave a message? I have been expecting word from the Emperor. Any messages? Nope. You are mean, so mean. All he did was kiss me. Hey! You better both be wearing helmets. Grounded? You can't ground me. Perhaps you think you are being treated unfairly. It would be unfortunate if I had to leave a garrison outside of your room. Bye, Dad. See you after school. Are those pajama bottoms? Yes, Admiral, what is it? Your daughter commands you to make contact with her. Move the ship out of the asteroid field so we can send a clear transmission. Dad, did you see my new profile picture? Don't act so surprised, Your Highness. Happy birthday. This is our most desperate hour. I don't have anything to wear. You blew up my what? Sorry, Daddy. This is nice. Ballet, isn't it, Dad? Wheesh, cool, cute. Dad? Dad, are you asleep? What? Oh, no. No! You were right about me. Tell your sister you were right. Leia's standing right there, Dad. Nothing is wrong. I just... Shrug. Are you sure you want to go to Coruscant University? There's lots of other good schools. The Imperial Academy is very affordable. Blush.